Good morning. We're going to the South Tyrol area of Italy.
So, we just got to Alpenpalace. I'm gonna show you around for the rest of this.
Good morning and welcome to summer in Germany. Today we are driving and going on an adventure in another country. I can't wait, and hopefully things will be a little bit nicer there. I've been dreaming about this place and I'm really excited. I think that there's not that many vloggers in Reutlingen because every time I'm walking around and talking to the camera, everyone comes up to me wondering like, what's going on? Okay, we're doing another quick test before we take this trip. Take this and just put it. Okay, that's okay. Easy, breezy. Back to home, rapid pack, get on the road. So we're about 3 hours into this drive. We're going to the South Tyrol area of Italy, where we'll be staying at a very, very special place. I'm really excited because we were invited to stay here and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, hello. Oh, wow. Cool. Here we go. No wellness retreat would be complete without epic massage situation.
Of course, if you're staying in a wellness hotel, you also want to have a little bit of a spa treatment. So we're gonna have a 25-minute hydro massage in a wonderful bathtub, followed by a 50-minute massage here at Alpenpalace. And I'm also very excited to just check out the rest of the area, go to the sauna and jacuzzi outside with the view of the mountain. But yeah, let's take you to the spa and show you around. Good, like the bath and the massage.
Well, I didn't get a massage.
But we will get one later. No, we're definitely gonna get another one while we're here. They have this really nice couples room.
Yeah, this place is perfect if you're just looking to relax. So it's just like right below basically your room is this whole incredible wellness area. And this is just the first part.
Outdoor area, different entrance to the sauna, which I don't see right now. And then let's go over here.
This is what I've been like curious about. This Italian, northern Italy, Dolomites area. Beautiful wellness spas. We don't have vacations like this as accessible really in the States, or certainly not in Bali. Pretty cool.
We're here in the sauna, and they have like special flavor like over the stones, and this time you put water and you put beer, and it's the beer sauna, and everybody got like a little cold beer as well.
This is way too warm for me. I'm not sure how this is relaxing. Oh my god, this is like 1,000 degrees in here. 1,000 degrees in here. 1,000 degrees in here. I don't know how this is.
I like the rustic wood cabin, and then there's like 4 or 5 different other saunas.
The beer is good.
Is it? Yeah, let's have a... Nice.
Wellness mode is in full effect here. Do-it-yourself body scrub. Oh wow, look at this place. It's like a little temple of steam. super nice. When you're staying at a luxury wellness resort, you can get room service. We got pasta.
So we just got to Alpenpalace and I'll show you around our room. We already unpacked, so this is the lounge area with a desk, working setup, and also a comfy couch, a fireplace, and a big TV. I'm gonna show you around for the rest of this. So you have a bathroom here with a lovely bathtub, bubble bath, and you can even watch TV. And this is the bedroom here, very comfortable looking. There's some goodies here for the spa. And this room is actually amazing because you have a massive balcony that goes all around with an amazing view of the mountains, spa area. Super beautiful room, definitely feels like coming home because I've been here already 2 times. This is my 3rd visit.
So Katrin is already in the bed. We've got some champagne and some fruit here, and we're gonna pop some bottles. All right, look at that.
Yeah, it's not like it's easier to pour. One glass for me. Cheers.
Cheers.
So one thing you will notice about South Tyrol is you'll have a lot of cheese. I'm curious to try this actually. When we went to the gas station in South Tyrol, they had like a cheese and sausage like vending machine.
This is my man here.
It's for you, sir?
Yes, it is.
Is your name Cesare?
Scissor.
Smells right, color's right. Very nice. Voila. I'm gonna try these mushrooms and polenta. It's interesting, it's interesting.
Have you had those mushrooms before?
No, we don't have such nice things in America. Good morning.
Morning.
This
Good morning.
is another day here in beautiful wellness heaven. We've got breakfast going. They laid us omelets and bread and coffee.
Yeah.
And Katrin actually made her own juice.
Yeah, really cool. So I put like ginger and apple and like a few other things in there, and you can just kind of make your own juice how you like it.
Breakfast is the most important deal of the day, so always good to start out with a good one.
Yeah, let's have some omelet.
Today we're going to explore a little bit more around the Alpenpalace, and I think we're going to explore the surrounding areas. So within just 20-30 minutes there's so much to do in this region, and we're going to just drive around and see what we can see.
Dankeschön.
I'll have this one. And one of these, please. Thank you. Okay, so after a very big wellness day, we've got a wonderful dinner now. Yeah, somehow all that spawing just made us very hungry. There's so much food, and we're always very excited to eat. Wonderful.
How do you say in German?
Wunderbar.
Wow, thank you.
Cheers. tasting. They've been just really spoiling us here. We pretty much have champagne by the jacuzzi. We've got all kinds of tasty treats. I really couldn't ask for a better wellness spa vacation.
Okay.
She can't even talk, she's so happy.
In the car after an amazing wellness weekend. I feel very relaxed, and I feel like all this time spent in the sauna and in the wellness area and eating like a lot of like good healthy food really made me feel more energized. I would have loved to stay here for at least like another 3 or 4 days.
I also feel recharged and refreshed. We've been moving around a lot, as you've seen on this vlog. It was amazing.
It was amazing. Follow Tim, he's amazing. There's more videos to come. And we're driving now for 6.5, 7 hours. He's the driver, so I mean, even if you don't like his stuff, like, you should just follow him because he's driving me around. So thanks so much guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!